Discover the perfect Oasis, Ultimate Aromatherapy Diffuser and Essential Oil Set Unboxed. Welcome to the Ultimate Aromatherapy Experience. Introducing the perfect Oasis, Ultimate Aromatherapy Diffuser and Essential Oil Set. Are you tired of stress weighing you down? Looking for a way to create a relaxing environment in your home or office? Look no further. The perfect Oasis diffuser is here to transform your space into a tranquil retreat. This elegant diffuser is designed to release the purest essential oils into the air, allowing you to indulge in the benefits of aromatherapy. Its sleek design and soft LED lighting create a soothing ambiance that will instantly put you at ease. The perfect Oasis set also includes a curated collection of 10 essential oils to elevate your aromatherapy experience. From calming lavender to refreshing eucalyptus, this set has it all. Simply add a few drops to the diffuser, sit back and let the blissful scents envelop your senses. Whether you're looking to relax after a long day or enhance your meditation practice, the perfect Oasis diffuser and essential oil set has got you covered. But wait, there's more. This set also makes a perfect gift for your loved ones. Share the joy of aromatherapy and help them create their own oasis wherever they go. So why wait? Discover the perfect oasis with the Ultimate Aromatherapy Diffuser and Essential Oil Set today and experience the calming power of aromatherapy.